Fostering AI's future in industry, new global alliance takes the lead at World Conference. TLDR, the Global Alliance on Artificial Intelligence for Industry and Manufacturing, AIM Global, was recently launched during the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai. Initiated by UNIDO and in collaboration with Huawei and other partners, this alliance will work towards innovative and ethical AI applications in industry and manufacturing, aiming for a harmonious blend of technology, sustainability, and shared human values. In a world that is rapidly being transformed by AI, the question remains, how can we leverage its vast potential responsibly and ethically for the benefit of all? Addressing this sentiment at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, Mr. Gerd Müller, UNIDO Director General, emphasized the collective responsibility in harnessing AI's potential. He mentioned, "It is our shared responsibility to ensure that advancements in the field of AI are made in a manner that is safe, ethical, sustainable and inclusive." Müller went on to stress the critical role AIM Global will play in bridging the digital divide among nations and industries, ensuring that everyone reaps the benefits of AI's ongoing revolution. But what does collaboration look like in this context? Huawei's Vice President of Corporate Communications, Vicky Zhang, provided some insights, expressing Huawei's pride in being a strategic partner of AIM Global. She said, "Huawei is building a strong foundation in computing capabilities and is launching multiple large models designed for specific industries. Our goal is to develop AI solutions that more effectively serve all industries, and that better support scientific research." Huawei will contribute to AIM Global by sharing case studies on industrial AI, their extensive R&D insights, and by making their global network of experts available. Diving deeper into the alliance's objectives, AIM Global stands as a beacon for collaboration, knowledge dissemination, and the formulation of best practices. Its four-pillar focus includes facilitating AI R&D specific to industry and manufacturing, formulating ethical guidelines for AI application, considering both environmental and societal perspectives, providing policy recommendations to governmental bodies, and advocating for best AI practices in industry and manufacturing. Tapping into local networks and insights of UNIDO's global offices, the alliance promises to be attuned to the challenges faced by SMEs across sectors. Such grounded understanding is poised to guide AIM Global's strategy, ensuring maximum positive impact. After all, with the unstoppable wave of AI innovations, isn't it crucial to ensure they align with sustainability and human values? As industries worldwide step into the future with AI, how can we ensure that its incorporation is not just innovative but also sustainable, inclusive, and ethical? First seen it here.